Hello everyone, this is Professor Birajdar MJ from Dayanand College of Pharmacy, Latur. Today I am going to present carboxylic acid topic. Let us see the definition of carboxylic acid. The carboxyl group consists of carbonyl and hydroxyl groups attached to the same carbon. That is, the carboxyl word is formed by the combination of these two words, that is carbonyl and hydroxyl. In carbonyl, CARB, that is carb from carbonyl, and hydroxyl, OXYL from hydroxyl. By the combination of these two words, carboxyl group is formed. That is, it is having the general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are the full integer values. This is the general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH. COOH is a functional group of this class. In the next structure, this is the COOH functional group of class, and here also COOH carboxylic acid functional group. Here R is a hydrocarbon portion, here AR is a aryl, means benzene nucleus, or it is phenyl nucleus. These are called as aromatic carboxylic acid. These are called as aliphatic carboxylic acid. R means hydrocarbon portion. An aliphatic or aromatic group can be attached to the carboxyl group. So the organic compounds which contain a carboxyl functional group are called as carboxylic acid. Carboxyl group are further classified as monocarboxylic acid, means which contain only one carboxyl group in their structure. Dicarboxylic acid, which consists of two carboxylic functional group in their structure, and tricarboxylic acid, which contains three carboxylic functional group in their structure. The long chain monocarboxylic acids are commonly known as fatty acids. Example, this is CH3, and this is the functional group of carboxylic acid, COH. Structural formula showing carbon, hydrogen. These are the carbon and double bonded oxygen connected here. Here hydroxyl group. And it is also indicated in another form. It is called as chemical formula CH3COH condensed form. It is also CH3CO2H. These are the representation of the molecule. Another part is the nomenclature of this carboxylic acid. How these carboxylic acids are nomenclated? Why there is need to nomenclate a compound, any organic compound? So there are billions of organic compounds present in the nature. So from the source of these organic compounds, we didn't keep in mind all these compounds. So to keep in mind all these compounds, the IUPAC nomenclature system is put forward, and they show particular rules about the naming of the organic compound. So there are two systems of naming of carboxylic acid. There is trivial common system, or second one is IUPAC system. In trivial system, it is also called as common system. From a common system, it indicates to identify the drug from its, or keep in mind the drug name from its source, or from its origin, properties, smell, and so on, all these properties. So it is very difficult to overcome this common or trivial system. IUPAC system is put forward. The trivial name derived from the Latin or Greek word that indicate their natural origin. Example is, simple carboxylic acids are better known by their common names. The common names are usually derived from the Latin or Greek word that indicates the original source of the acid. They do not follow any rule except that all common names of the acid end in IC acid. For example, formic acid is a Latin word formica, which is also known as red ant. It is secreted by red ant. It's the acid obtained from the secretion, obtained from the isolation of red ant. That is so named as a formic acid from formica source. Next one is acetic acid, Latin word. Acetum is a source, that is vinegar, present in the vinegar. In the common system, position of the substituents on the chain are labeled with the Greek letters. That is, this is the functional group COOH. It is alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and epsilon. These indicate the position of the next. These are some examples. This is the butanoic acid, butyric acid, propanoic acid, propionic acid. These are the common name, and this is the IUPAC name. 2-methyl pentanoic acid. It is called as beta-methyl valeric acid. Alpha, beta. This is the alpha, beta, gamma. So it is called as gamma chloropropionic acid. The IUPAC system nomenclature rules are there. Determine the parent compound from the longest chain, that includes the carboxyl carbon. Means it includes the functional group carboxyl. Number the chain so that the carboxyl carbon is carbon first. Replace E of the alkane with OIC acid. Assign numbers to any remaining substituents. In another way, if two carboxyl functional groups are present, use dioic acid in the name. For cycloalkanes, add carboxylic acid to the name of the cycloalkane. These are some examples. Ethane, E of the alkane ending word is replaced by the OIC acid. It is ethanoic acid. This is the functional group. Same methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, and propanoic acid. Here is a hydrogen carboxylic acid functional group. It is a 1 carbon, so it is methanoic acid. Here are 2 carbon, 1, 2, so ethane, ethanoic acid. Here 1, 2, 3, 3 carbons, so propane, propanoic acid. So next point is acidity of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids are acidic in nature. They can donate a proton to form salt with base. So carboxylic acids are weak acid and ionize in water according to the following equation. This equation shows that RCOH, carboxylic acid, plus water. These are the carboxylate ion, 3 mole of hydrogen atom. So it forms hydronium ion. The equilibrium constant K equilibrium, it is indicated as. These are the concentration of carboxylate ion, concentration of hydronium ion divided by concentration of carboxylic acid and concentration of water molecule. So it indicates the Ka value of the carboxylic. It is called as acidity constant. Ka value of carboxylic acid falls within the range of the 10 raised to minus 4 to 10 raised to minus 5. The Ka value for acetic acid is 1.74 into 10 raised to minus 5. So the ionization constant K is equal to this. If you simplify this equation, we got Pk is equal to minus log Ka. The pK value of carboxylic acid falls within the range of 4 to 5. pK value of the acetic acid is 4.76. Thus, the acidity constant describes the relative strength of the weak acid. Stronger acid will have higher numerical value of the acidity constant. Lesser the pK, greater the acidity, is equal to pK value for acid is 4 to 5 and alcohol is 14 to 16. Why carboxylic acids are more acidic than alcohol? Ionization of carboxylic acid leads to delocalization or shifting. Delocalization means shifting of electron or negative charge from one oxygen to the another. Hence, separation and creation of the unlike charge to produce force to ionize. This carboxylic acid this hydrogen, removal of this hydrogen, the shifting of the charge which are present on the oxygen consists of two lone pair of electrons. The shifting of the charge occurs between these two oxygens. So equilibrium shifted to right side and carboxylic acid ionizes fastly than alcohol. Ionization of alcohol to produce an ion, and there is no delocalization of charge and hence ionize slowly and equilibrium shifted to left. There is difference in electronegativity between the carbon and oxygen. There is partial positive charge on carbonyl carbon which induce polarization of electron in OH bond. This OH bond, this is carbonyl carbon, positively charged, this is negatively charged. This polarization occurs to this hydroxyl group. The electron withdrawing effect of carbonyl carbon weakens or weaker OH bond and facilitates ionization of carboxylic acid compared to the alcohol. Effect of substituent on acidity of carboxylic acid. Electron withdrawing group, chlorine, bromine, fluorine, these are the electronegative group which increases the acidity. Electron withdrawing group withdraws electron density from the carboxyl group and equilibrium shifted to right. That increases the acidity of carboxylic acid. Electron donating group OH, NH2, CH3, methoxy group, these are groups which decreases the acidity. Electron donating group adds electron density to carboxyl group and equilibrium shifted to left. That decreases the acidity of the carboxylic acid. That is, the loss of proton becomes more difficult, so size of the alkyl group increases, acidity decreases. Physical properties of the acidity of carboxylic acid. Always remember one point: the more halogen atoms attached to the acid molecule, the stronger the acid. The closer the halogen atom are attached to the carboxylic acid functional group, the stronger the acid. So another point always keep in mind: electron releasing alkyl group decreases the acidity, electron withdrawing groups increases the acidity. These are some physical properties of carboxylic acid, which shows the colorless liquids are there. The state of the carboxylic acid, larger molecules are wax-like solid, means this shows its state. These are the solid in nature, wax-like. It is showing the odor, sharp and unpleasant smell. There is disagreeable odor. Higher members are almost odorless. It shows the boiling point, high boiling point. Solubility, simple molecules are very soluble in water due to water molecule being strongly attracted to the carboxylic group, that is the first core member of completely soluble in water. This is due to the ability of the carboxylic group to form hydrogen bonds with water molecule. As the hydrocarbon chain increases in the acid, the solubility of the acid in water decreases. Means solubility decreases when the number of carbon atoms are increasing in the carboxylic acid molecule. These are some physical properties of the carboxylic acid. For this preparation, these are two books I have referred, that is textbook for organic chemistry and organic chemistry by Morrison and Boyle. Thank you for your kind attention.